Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. I've been getting lots of DMs asking me how I make my resin jewelry, so I decided to do a quick tutorial for you guys. Let's begin with wearing gloves and masks. Although granitone resin is non-toxic, but why not? Now take a cup and let's mix our resin and hardener in 2:1. This is my granitone resin and I'm pouring it. After resin, I'm adding my hardener. Now set a timer for 3 minutes and gently mix the resin and hardener. This is a resin jewelry kit that I use. This is from Molds and Art Supplies. It has all the essential things you would ever need to make your resin jewelry. Let me take you through it. These are some glitter that I generally use. These are gold chunks. These are pressed flowers. These are so beautiful, I tell you guys. This is mold 1. This is mold 2. You can make charms with these molds. Now I'm taking this mold and cleaning it with rubbing alcohol. Now these are my favorite. These gold chunks look so good. I'm taking some of these and adding them to the mold. Now I'm adding the resin to the mold very slowly and very gently. You have to be very careful while adding resin. These are some dried rose petals that I'm using for earring too. Now I'm adding resin to it very slowly. Now let's make a pendant from the mold. This is a pressed flower that I've added to the mold and now adding resin to it. Now I'm adding green pigment to the resin. You can add any color of your choice. Now I'm adding this to the mold. And how can I finish any earring without adding my favorite chunks? And here comes my favorite part. After 24 hours, we can demold our earrings from the mold. Let's do it. This is a hand drill that I use to make holes in the jewelry. Now I am using a round plier and the fittings from the box to complete the jewelry. I hope it was a helpful video for you all. But in case if you ever have any questions, you can always DM me. I love replying to you guys. Goodbye guys and have a good day. Thank you for watching.